I'm a sculptor, installation artist, blacksmith. Last year I had my biggest solo show to date at Aberystwyth Arts Centre, and that was funded by an Arts Council of Wales Create grant, where people were divided by a large palisade fence. Then the rest of the show were all reproductions of scenes of impact, actual crash scenes, because I nearly was involved in a crash and my son was next to me, and that became the beginning of like a 5-year project. I find creativity in anything made of steel because that's my material, that's my palette. So I look at steel in a very different way to anyone else. That gives me the ability to tell stories and to make sense of the world. Through doing something creative, you're also learning history, chemistry, about materiality. I work with steel, I'm learning about business skills, maths. The arts don't have to be this added extra. They can be part of your general education and need to be right up there in the middle of it because it gives you so much more, makes you a more rounded person.